the tiniest sparks and the tenderest sounds. Diving music, drowning the sound. Waltzing with the hairs upon my arms. Then your fight or flight alarm. And you tremble, and you stumble, and you scrape up your palms. I can't stay here to hold your hand. I've been away for so long. I've lost my taste for home. And that's a dirty foul feeling, to be the dangling ceiling from when the roof came crashing down. Peeling in the heat, vanish in the rain. The next time you say forever, I will punch you in your face. Just because you don't believe it doesn't mean I didn't mean it. You never know when I show you the never. You never know when I show you the never.